Oh, hello. Hi there. Everybody's going green these days, so SaraTerra needs some tree inside of her. Yes, we have a lot of hardwood, and we're going to play with it today. So today, we finally start the camper portion of SaraTerra. We filled her with a lot of crap, but we've also... I don't even know what this is.
Oh, practicing for Halloween.
So we've gutted it. Now what we're going to do is kind of panel a lot of stuff in wood. We're going to build some like shelf things and some cabinet things, and also the slide out that comes out. But before we do that, I think we need to at least make the floor. That way we know the height, and then figure out how we're going to make the slide out come out. So we've got some foam for insulation. We've got some thin 3mm, this is birch plywood for paneling on top of the foam. We've got some thicker, this is 6mm wood. We've got some 12mm. So depending on what we're building, we'll use different thicknesses, but it's gonna look pretty classy, I think.
I think it's gonna be like a fine Swedish sauna.
There will be lots of naked men in here, right?
Yeah, well, that's my favorite thing about a Swedish sauna. Sexy Swedish sauna. The triple S.
Yeah. So we don't know exactly what we're going to do. We're going to clean this out, and then we're going to start seeing how things fit and then putting stuff together. So that next. What happened?
Maybe there's an ongoing thing where you don't let Alan measure and cut stuff. Damn it, it's true.
So we just went to put in this piece of wood we just cut, and we had to add some length to the front because, well, the foam wasn't long enough, and we knew that. So Alan added length to the back, and now it's way too long in the back.
It's basically a mullet. We made a mullet of a piece of wood. It has more party in the back.
So now we're gonna do exactly what we do all the time, and we're gonna do this again. Okay, let's try this again.
If it fits, I take no credit for it. Now you must make those noises when trying to get something to fit.
Yeah. A little bit of trimming, but that's looking a lot better.
Yeah, the length is on the right end. And it even closes.
Yeah, we'll glue that down later.
I cannot believe that fit on the first try.
Wow, that's real nice. Yes.
We're gonna edit it so it's the first try, right?
I'll remember to do that. If I forget, whoops. So yeah, now this fits in here nice. We know the foam underneath isn't flat, so I think we're gonna get some expanding foam later to make up the gaps, but this is the back floor. We're gonna do, we decided I think like some compartments up front to take advantage of the space underneath this floor.
Maybe some folding storage or some lift-a-lid storage.
Yeah, some sort of storage system up front. So next is either that or the walls, I'm not sure.
I mean,
what did we say about those? We're gonna do like foam and carpet or just carpet
cup
or
holders?
something? Yes, cup holders.
And hours of effort so that we could have an extra, I don't know, place to put a blanket maybe?
It'll be worth it though.
It will be when we fill it with snacks.
And drugs.
Drug snacks. Hey, come check out all our storage. This is where the snacks go.
And suddenly we have secret storage. Oh look, there's a marker down there already.
That's good. We've been looking for the marker for like an hour now. Also, if anyone finds our tape measures, let us know, because we haven't seen those in a while. And just like that, we spent the entire afternoon putting in 2 pieces of wood and some foam.
Yeah. So we spent a long time today actually working on this. It doesn't look like we got a lot done, but the part that takes the longest is planning. So we sat for, I don't know, at least an hour or two just trying to figure out where things would go, how the foam would work, that sort of stuff. So we have a game plan of what we want to do, so next time should get more done.
Or, yeah, we'll get more done. Yeah.
So until next time, just remember, when you're going to play with your wood, make sure you plan how you're going to play with your wood.
Don't get splinters. Feed me grass. Oh, hey.